Hello, welcome to the 6th episode. In this episode, we will generate load combinations, do calculations, and view results. Let's get started. We will start from the loads menu, then automatic combinations. In the load case combinations dialog, select manual combinations, generate. As you can see here, we have 130 estimated combinations. Now press more to configure parameters that control which combinations are created. On the combinations, leave all ultimate limit is state ULS and serviceability limit is state SLS checked. Press the next button to be taken to the list of combinations that Robot plans to create for us. Check all that you want to use or use the check all button at the bottom, then press generate. Now take a look at your analysis type dialog and you will see your newly added load combinations right after your load cases. Before running calculations, press the load to mass conversion button to convert seismic load cases into mass. Select all seismic load cases, then press the double arrow. These are the seismic cases that we created. In mass direction, we don't change anything, but in add mass tool, we select dynamic mass and then press add. Press yes to continue. After conversion, run calculations. Press yes to continue for all warnings. As we expected, there is one warning about instability. It's okay to ignore it. Now it's time to explore results for bars from the results menu and then diagrams for members. Set out the parameters, then go to the NTN tab to select different diagrams. Don't forget to select any load combination you want to see its results. Let's remove labels to get a clear picture of the diagrams. These are actual compressive force diagrams and they only appear in columns. These are shear force diagrams. And these are bending moment diagrams. Next, we will take a quick look at the results table for reaction, member forces, and displacements. Let's start with reactions. Results are arranged by node numbers / load cases. Press the envelope tab to view the maximum and minimum value for each node and their associated load case or combination. As you can see here in node 1, load case 3 provides the maximum value and load combination 63 provides the minimum value. Now press the global extremes tab to view the maximum and minimum values for all nodes and their corresponding load case or combination. You can explore by yourself the results of other parameters. Now let's finish by exploring the results for the surface by selecting the results menu, then map. You can select any plane of your choice. And also, you can select any load case or combination of your choice. In the next final episode, we will learn steel design workflow. Until next time, goodbye for now.